The walls have crumbled, the ground gave way. Everything familiar has been swept away. With empty hands, I lift my cry. Lord, are you near, or have you passed me by? But in the stillness, I hear you say, my child, I've been with you every step of the way. Though the fire has burned so deep, I'll bring beauty from the pain you keep. From the ashes I will soar, through the pain you'll open doors. When my strength is running dry, your grace will lift me high. You're the one who walks with me, restoring all I cannot see. From the ashes I'll arise, with your power I'll touch the skies. To anyone out there who feels broken, I need you to hear this. This is not the end. You are not forgotten. God is still God, even in the rubble of your life. He's working all things for your good. Hold on, trust Him. You're